What do you think, Ava? So I decided to hang it probably in the bungalow is what I'm thinking. And for there I can put a strap here and a strap over there to sit in. It'll hang nice and no worries about it moving or anything. So to do that, I ended up putting 2 boards on. I think they're aspen or poplar. And I screwed them in. I tried to pick spots where it could go through the paneling and into the wood some. So they should be on there really good. And then I oiled it. I gave it a second coat on the back. First coat on these, but that'll be enough. And then tonight, probably come out and do the do a coat on the front. And then from there I can put the other pieces in. Okay, so it's coming along. And time to move on to my next job.